bumpers on, you know that we're driving this thing in this video. I've got a couple of little shitty bits that really need to get done. That's just frustrating me. Let me show you. I still need to get the wiring loom wrapped up down the back, down the sides. I still need to get them all wrapped up. I've got a temporary Wago just there just to do a test. That can get soldered now because that's absolutely fine. Bumpers temporarily on. I do need a clip on the side, but the most important thing of today is I got the exhaust out last night, because this exhaust is a pain in the ass, because the Caddy exhaust, it doesn't fit when you're putting a 3-inch on. So I've only got a 3-inch in my life, I know, but this 3-inch, you need to cut your exhaust down. So I took the Caddy exhaust off. I took the van out of the garage yesterday. I'm going to get it out now. I'm going to get it cut over there, and then hopefully I can get that full exhaust system back onto the Caddy for the time being, and then I'll think about longer term what the plan is for it. But remember, I want this looking a bit more sleeperish. You know, I don't want it looking like a sporty TFSI Caddy. I want it to be, what do they call it, a sleeper? I don't know. Anyway, let's get the exhaust cut. Let's get that done first of all. We need to get some pins done on the accelerator pedal because it's throwing a fault up on the van at the minute. Then I need to pull it out, get the exhaust back under, and that's what I want to do first in this video. You seen it? Look at how nice and bright it is. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you guys are wanting to support the channel, I am going to be bringing out some nice, beautiful John Builds hoodies. Now, the quality on these are unbelievable, and I say they're not cheap. For me, a hoodie, when you go to somewhere like Primark, somewhere cheap, get a hoodie for, I don't know, a tenner, 12 quid. So the printing on this does cost a little bit more. I'm hoping to get them out a lot cheaper than I've seen some other people put their hoodies out. Now, it is only a front badge. It's a John Bill. I've got some t-shirts coming as well, which you guys are going to absolutely love. Now, I'm not into the merch scene. It's not me, but I'd like it if you guys do support the channel. We'll be able to get hats, we'll be able to get hoodies, but the t-shirts are unbelievable. But they're a little bit more expensive because you've got to put more print on them. So if you want some, then I'm just going to, at the minute, offer an inbox on Instagram, get them sent out to you. That's the way we're going to work. I haven't got a website. I just think that a couple of people keep asking me all the time on Instagram, John, have you got any hoodies, any John Builds hoodies, blah, blah, blah. And do you know what? I thought, I'll do a couple. Let's do 50. Right, let's get the exhaust done. Let's get into it. The back box on the Caddy exhaust. There's a mount under the centre. There's a mount at the behind the back box. Then there's one right at the end. So I'm going to keep this standard box on for now, and I am going to cut it. I have marked somewhere where I need to cut it. I think it's there, roughly speaking, around there. So I'm probably going to take it in a little bit more, and it's very close to that mounting bracket. These are the things that nobody shows you, and there's a lot more work involved in the TFSI conversion. Now, without a ramp, it is a lot harder, let me be honest with you, but it's definitely doable. Got my hands in my pocket, I'ma feel real tight. Every wrong turn, got a voice, got a name. Still I'm here with my hands in the flame. They said slow down, play that bad behave, but I've been raised by the mess that I made. Broken mirrors in a mortal mind. Every scar got a story, got a loss, got a sign. Hands in the sky, but my feet in the dirt, still dancing. So I'm not sure if that's going to work. I think if we clamp it on, it should be okay. I think it should tighten down pretty well. Let's try that. I think that's the best we're going to get for the time being. So next thing, I need to get this steering wheel in. I picked up a Golf Mark 6 Golf steering wheel. It's just got the buttons and things on. That's all I need for now. The Audi steering wheel does not fit into your Caddy, so if you are buying a TFSI donor from an Audi, it won't fit. The plug's different on the back, and also I've now noticed that On the back of the Audi clocks as well, that plug is also different. So the GTI Caddy does drive, and it does drive out. Now I need some fuel in it. It's got about 0 miles in it, so it's literally got nothing in, but I need to get the exhaust connected up. Then I've got to get that pipe connected up for the back of the fuel tank. I need to get that done, because that's still not done. But while it's out, and I'm waiting for a helping hand, we're going to jack it up, get the exhaust run on, and hopefully it stops it being too loud. Right, so she drove out. Absolutely mint. I still need a clip here. Oh no, I put a clip on there the other day. Something stopping it behind. Oh, it's that new clip. So you need to push it back ever so slightly. Still need to tidy all the wiring up on the TFSI, and I've just ran temporarily through the little hole. It's not going to stay there, but I've just ran a new accelerator pedal wire. So I had a fault on the accelerator pedal. I need some fuel in it because it's literally got no fuel in. So I need to get it filled up, and I need to put the fuel pipe on the back of the adapter, which is on the tank. But all in all, we're getting there. Now what I am doing now is just putting the exhaust back on. So I had a 3-inch decat, which is down here. Bear with. 3-inch decat down there. I'm just getting that on, because every time I start the van up, because the exhaust at the front is open, it is loud as hell. So we're doing that now first. So I'm just putting the exhaust back on. I have cut it on the original Caddy one, and then what I've done is I've just put some slits in here. I'm going to put a clamp round it and hopefully clamp it in and clamp it on to the Caddy exhaust. That's the plan. Inside wise, needs a good tidy up, needs a good clean. Need to put the petrol cap back on. I need to put that back on, but again, I can't do that until I've sorted that pipe out there. Tidy the wiring up, run the new accelerator pedal. I need to do that as well. But that is pretty much the Caddy engine and wiring loom. I think there is one more fault. So on the TFSI Caddies, this sensor down here, G31, is a boost sensor. Now, the pins inside the plug, when I took it out yesterday to replace the sensor, looked like one of the pins was slightly corroded. So I am going to try and get a new wiring loom or a new pin to put on the end of that, and hopefully I can get them joined, wrap that wiring up the back, and then that should be the Caddy running. A lot of work to do around making sure that the Caddy is, you know, running right, it's not running rich, it's not running lean. I have got a lambda sensor that I need to sort out as well, so that's another problem I need to do. But I aren't that far away now. I think I'm not far away from getting this project. I feel like it, I don't want to say it, but wrapped up. All the shit in the back of the van. But that is the main reason why I bought this van. Fully carpet lined, the roof fully done, and the van itself is in very, very good condition. I've also found out why it's so low, because you've got your 4 holes on the back for the hangers. This is on like a hole that's been drilled in over here, so it's not even on the standard holes. So again, another find that's, no wonder it was low. No wonder the frigging thing was low when we were trying to get it on the ramp. But look at how nice that looks. Literally, I've got nothing to do on the inside other than a pair of seats. And this can be used as a little camper. I mean, look at all this. Absolutely quality job. It's been done very, very nice. So yeah, I'll be happy with this once this gets done. But let's crack on. So the exhaust on first now. I can't really film the exhaust on. I just want to start it up now. It's like a rocket. It's far too loud. So I need to sort that out. But yeah, I don't think I'm far away, guys. I think I'm really not far away. So I'm looking forward to just getting these last little bits done and then taking it out on a test drive. It needs to go for an MOT as well. So we'll do that as well. But first things first, let's do the exhaust, get the exhaust right, get it all clamped on. That'll quieten down a little bit. And then put some fuel in, sort the tank bits out, and then we should be good to go. And this is the main reason why I've not managed to finish the GTI Caddy yet. Because I've been sorting everything out on Bonnie Blue, so Bonnie Blue can go up for sale. So that's why I've been so busy just fixing bits on Bonnie Blue, getting Bonnie Blue through its MOT and ready to hand it over to its new owner. And she's going to be missed, absolutely. But I think there's a 2 litre Caddy. She's looking absolutely fantastic at the minute. And yeah, I just need to wrap this project up, get Bonnie out the way. I have started, dug all the grass out, started getting this because this is going to be stone on the front as well. So I can keep the Sprinter and the likes over there. Bonnie's going, so Bonnie will be gone. And then yeah, it'll be bringing the GTI Caddy down here, ready for me to start and finish off the next project. And that's it. So hopefully you've enjoyed the videos. Hopefully if you are watching, you have seen the camper van conversion bits I'm also doing on the Sprinter. But yeah, Bonnie's sweet now. Bonnie's running great. Mark 1 of course. And the plan is to bring Bonnie Mark 2 down here, TFSI Caddy, so I can get it here so I can finish it off. Because at the minute, I can't finish it off when it's in a garage. It's too tight. I can't get round it as well. And I want to be able to make sure that I can get it fully done. So look, that's all from me for this week. There is Sprinter content. There is Caddy content. The GTI Caddy is going to get finished in the next week or so. So bear with me, guys. And all I'll say is do me a massive favour. If you enjoy this channel, I've got to let this channel grow. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out.